We are installing the MaxxAir MaxxFan Deluxe today. A fellow van lifer has come from San Francisco to help me out. I'm not going to go very in depth with it because I'm trying to hurry and get this done. I'll see what I capture. Sorry if it sucks. I have left this bare because that's where the fan is going to go. I pulled down a little bit of the Reflectix that I previously did because I'm going to put a sort of wood frame around the fan, which is also going to go up against this. I pulled down the polyiso board from this side because I forgot that I am also going to have to put a framing piece on here to later attach my masonite sheet that will act as my ceiling. So I'm gonna need a frame to screw it into. So I took that down. A framing piece will also go against there. This is the, I don't know, frame that comes with the fan. So we are taking this part of the roof rack off because it is definitely going to be in the way of the fan.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, there you go. Worked good so far.
Not bad.
Yeah, and then again kind of level itself out a little bit.
This is my favorite. My favorite stuff. So clean. Well, relatively speaking. Fuck you. So the fan is in. So excited about that. I've been really prepared to take the van a step further. Only working with insulation for quite a while, I was getting to a point where I felt I really needed the next step. so that I could feel that motivation of like, this is moving, let's do this, I can do this. Huge thanks to Andrew for coming to Sacramento to help me. That helped a ton and also gave me a lot of confidence in cutting a hole in the roof of the van. I felt a lot better having somebody there who had done it before. And I'm so happy that that step is done and I can move on to some other wonderful steps that are less intimidating, I think. Hopefully this video has helped in any way. And if you have any questions about stuff that I didn't get to include, leave a comment. I'll answer. I'll help if I can. See you in the next one.